Higher.
The mains on.
Higher.
Hold it. Wait for the mains.
Good. It's good? All right.
Oh, you have the mains on.
Ah, mains are on.
You start over.
Can you hear now?
Can you hear us? Me?
Yeah.
All right. Did you hear that this is brought to you by the San Anselmo Arts Commission? Yeah. All right. So I won't say that again. We're all volunteers. We have a couple of openings. We would love for you to, if you're interested in giving back to the community and being a part of some really great fun events with amazing people. We have amazing arts commissioners and I'm proud to be a part of them. So a couple of announcements. These are the fun ones. The porta potty is right there. We have water for sale for $1 and I think we still have a little bit of candy. Yes? No, candy's all gone. All right, never mind. All right, so Revolver is our friends. They're local. We're so happy to have them. Let me thank John Bowman for doing our sound for Music in the Park. He's just amazing. And I always never thank him. So thank you, John. And Michael Feldman, who is just over here, has done the art for us, for our posters and our postcards. So please be sure to stop by and thank Michael when you see him. All right, so we're here for music, so let's go. Give a big hand for Revolver, yeah!
Go for it.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, do it by Miami, Beach, UMC. Didn't get to bed last night. Oh, wait, the paperback was on my knee. Man, I had a dreadful flight. I'm back in the USSR. How lucky you are, boy. Back to USSR. Peter Way's on the Holly knew the place. Dreams good to be back home. Even choose a borrow to back my case. On a distant memory phone. I'm back in the USSR. You don't know how lucky you are, boy. Back, US, back, US, back, USSR. West behind. Moscow girls make me sing and shout. And Joker's always on my mind. Oh, come on! I'm back in the USSR. You don't know how lucky you are, boy. Back in the USSR. Well, these crazy girls really knock me out. They move the West too high. Moscow girls make me sing and shout. And Joker's always on my mind. Oh, show me like you do the measure way outside. Take me to your daddy's farm. Let me hear about it like it's ringing out. Call the people coming home. I'm back in the USSR. Hey! Don't know how lucky you are, boy. Back in the USSR. I'll never tell you, honey.